a share value equivalent to $6.0492 a coin. The present reach, $5.9876. $6.1168. The earlier day close, $6.0478. The change was plus 0.0014. Plus 0.02%. Converse rate, United States dollars to Axies, a share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost forecast for July 2023. In the first place, cost at $5.95, greatest cost $6.91, least cost $5.60. The normal for the month $6.12. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $6.02, change for July 1.2%. Access to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. To start with, cost at $6.02, greatest cost $6.76. Least cost $5.09. The normal for the month $5.97. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.99. Change for August 0.5%. A share cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset, cost at $5.99. Most extreme cost $5.99. Least cost $4.84. The normal for the month $5.51. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $5.20. Change for September 13.2%. Access to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Before all else, cost at $5.20. Most extreme cost $5.20. Least cost $4.19. The normal for the month $4.78. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.51. Change for October 13.3%. A share cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $4.51. Greatest cost $4.55. Least cost $3.95. The normal for the month $4.32. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.25. Change for November 5.8%. Access to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at $4.25. Greatest cost $4.25. Least cost $3.47. The normal for the month $3.93. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.73. Change for December 12.2%. A share cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else, cost at $3.73. Most extreme cost $3.73. Least cost $3.03. The normal for the month $3.44. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.26. Change for January 12.6%. Access to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Initially, cost at $3.26. Most extreme cost $4.04. Least cost $3.26. The normal for the month $3.59. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.78. Change for February 16.0%. A share cost expectation for WOC 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.78. Greatest cost $3.78. Least cost $3.03. The normal for the month $3.46. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.26. Change for spring 13.8%. Access to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.26. Greatest cost $3.26. Least cost $2.55. The normal for the month $2.95. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.74. Change for April 16.0%. A share cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $2.74. Greatest cost $2.74. Least cost $2.14. The normal for the month $2.48. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.30. Change for May 16.1%. Access to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. To start with, cost at $2.30. Greatest cost $2.30. Least cost $1.90. The normal for the month $2.14. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.04. Change for June 11.3%. A share cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $2.04. Greatest cost $2.04. Least cost $1.59. The normal for the month $1.85. A share cost figure toward the month's end $1.71. Change for July 16.2%. A share cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at $3.75. Most extreme cost $4.65. Least cost $3.75. The normal for the month $4.13. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.35. Change for September 16.0%. Access to United States dollars expectations for October 2025. Initially cost at $4.35. Most extreme cost $4.41. Least cost $3.83. The normal for the month $4.18. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.12. Change for October 5.3%. A share cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at $4.12. Greatest cost $4.12. Least cost $3.22. The normal for the month $3.73. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.46. Change for November 16.0%. Access to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. At the outset cost at $3.46. Most extreme cost $4.08. Least cost $3.46. The normal for the month $3.70. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.81. Change for December 10.1%. A share cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $3.81. Greatest cost $3.81. Least cost $3.07. The normal for the month $3.50. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.30. Change for January 13.4%. Access to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. In the first place cost at $3.30. Greatest cost $3.37. Least cost $2.93. The normal for the month $3.19. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.15. Change for February 4.5%. A share cost expectation for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $3.15. Most extreme cost $3.17. Least cost $2.75. The normal for the month $3.01. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.96. Change for spring 6.0%. Access to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. At the outset cost at $2.96. Most extreme cost $3.67. Least cost $2.96. The normal for the month $3.26. A share cost estimate